In this video, I will teach you how to redirect a domain in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I want you to ensure that you're logged into your Cloudflare account. After logging into your Cloudflare account, now we're going to go to the particular domain name of which you want to redirect. Now, once you enter into that domain, you're going to scroll down. On the left sidebar, you're going to scroll down to Rules. You click on this arrow and you click on Overview. When you move the mouse to the right side, you're going to see Create Rule. Once you click on that, you're going to see Redirect Rule. And you click on this. So to create a redirect rule, you need a name, which is required. You need to set in some parameters. If you want all incoming requests to be redirected, you click on this. If you want some incoming requests to be redirected, you click on this. But we're going to choose all incoming requests. And then in the then section, you're going to input the redirection of where you want the request to go. Always ensure to use the HTTPS format, and you're going to use the status code 301, and you're going to click on deploy. Now once you deploy, under the rules and the overview, you're going to see your redirect rule set, and it's there to redirect to where you want it to redirect to. Now that's how you redirect domain in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.